Hi everyone, this is Felisa with Homebody. So in this video, I am sharing with you guys my field trip that I took into ZGallerie. So basically with this trip, I found a lot of items that I actually see at Home Goods around this time of year, and I'm actually giving you a closer look at the prices. The bowl was $12.95. This is a charger was $16.95. The glasses are $12.95. Now, remember that you can get these chargers on Amazon. They have a pack of 4. They're not glass, they're plastic. You can get them from Amazon they start at like $24.95. They had a lot of stuff that was 30% off. $3.49 for that bar cart. This is a beautiful piece. Ross has some wall art similar to this. This particular plaque is $129.95. Again, like I said, Ross have some wall art similar to that piece. Now, I'm loving these pillows here. They are so cute. Price of one pillow is $89.95. Now, they do have quite a few pillows on that's 50% off. Even with the 50% off, I probably would have paid $40 for that particular pillow, but the other pillows, even with the 50% off, I wouldn't buy them. And that's only because they're pretty expensive. Now, those Ming boxes, I saw those at Home Goods. The bigger one was $19.99 because I actually purchased my bigger gold Ming box from Home Goods. Now, I am so loving ZGallerie tableware, you guys. I love decorating my table. I love doing tablescapes, and most of my items that I do decorate my table with likely came from ZGallerie, especially my placemats, because most of the placemats that I do purchase from ZGallerie are on sale, as this one regular price is $12.95, and they have it for 40% off, which is a very reasonable price, you guys. And that would be a beautiful color for the spring. I did not pick that up, and I'm wishing I would have now. They have the most beautiful napkin rings and the most beautiful napkins, you guys. This napkin ring is $4.95, which is a good price because it's so beautiful. Now, they had a lot of furniture 30 and 40% off. Now, I meant to pick up some of those white leaves, but I totally forgot. Here's some more tableware, which is so beautiful. Now, this tray is beautiful, you guys. It's very heavy. That's the difference between the ZGallerie's tray and the tray at Home Goods. Home Goods tray is not as heavy as ZGallerie. However, this particular tray, as you can see, was $129, where you can get this tray actually way less expensive at Home Goods or TJ Maxx, maybe for $24 or $29, which would serve the same purpose as this one. Now, this particular candle holder was $4.95, but they're all on clearance. Well, actually 25% off, my bad. I saw someone do a beautiful DIY on this candle. I am going to try to find her channel and link it below. She did a beautiful job DIYing that particular candle. I hope I can find her channel. I saw it this morning. I've been watching this for quite some time. I'm waiting for it to go on sale. I have the vase already, and it didn't have a price on it. I think it was $29.95, but I'm waiting to get the other item to match. Now, these pillows are the pillows that everyone's been hauling from Ross, and I think Ross have the pillows for like $18.95 or so. I'm going to place the link. I'm going to try to place a link below on where I saw someone haul a pillow just like this from Ross. Loving these candles. They are so beautiful. 40% off, and I think these are like $59 regular price, I think. Let's see. Oh, $49. Loving those pillows. They are so beautiful. Wow, now these are new. They didn't have the white ones last year. Yep, $29.95, which is an excellent price. $49.95. I am waiting for that silver one to go on sale. I am going to grab it up so quick. I'm loving ZGallerie trays that they have with the stands. I'm going to try to DIY me a tray. I didn't see any prices on these items. Now this video is going to be in two parts because I actually stayed in the store very long, this particular setting. I'm going to do two videos, a part 1 and a part 2. Those candle holders that I just showed you are new too. They have quite a few new things. Now these candle holders, I tell you, you can get these from Ross for like $7.95, $8.95, and $9.95. That clock that you just saw is $199. Here's another clearance section. Items are 50% off. That little champagne bottle caught my eyes. However, regular price was $59.95. They had it 50% off. I still couldn't see myself paying $30 for this little jar, especially since some of the crystals were missing. I didn't feel like it was even worth the $30 if I had to replace some of the crystals. Okay, you guys, I'm loving those plates. They're pearlized with the silver in it. But these placemats are actually at Home Goods. They're not as big and thick as these, but I am about to just see how much these are. They're actually $29.95. I think the ones at Home Goods are either $9.95 or $12.95, but they're cute. Here's some more of their clearance items. Now this particular tray, I think regular price is like $59. No, yeah, $59, and they have it 50% off. So it'll be like $30 for that acrylic tray. I think that's a pretty good deal for that acrylic tray. It would be so pretty styled with some spring items. So I think I have a couple more minutes on this video. Again, you guys, I'm going to show you guys a part 2 of this field trip later. Thank you for watching.